Hello everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today I will show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and her friends. Let's draw and paint together. First, we are drawing Peppa Pig's head. Next, we draw her eyes, ears, mouth, and a small circle on her cheek. Now, we are drawing her body, her legs, and her tail. Peppa Pig is holding her favorite toy, a teddy bear named Teddy. Teddy often appears in episodes and is Peppa's close friend, always by her side in many different situations. Her hand. Let's draw George Pig. I draw his nose and the shape of his head. Next, we're drawing his eyes, mouth, and a small circle on his cheek. And these are his ears. Now, we are drawing his body, legs, and tail. We are drawing a toy dinosaur here. George Pig is Peppa Pig's younger brother and often appears cute and innocent. He loves dinosaurs and always carries a toy dinosaur with him that he calls Mr. Dinosaur. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. Draw slowly and carefully. No need to rush, no need to be perfect, as long as you have fun. Next, we're drawing Petro Pony. We are drawing his head. Petro Pony is a brown pony who typically wears a yellow shirt and a brown cowboy hat. Petro is a classmate and friend of Peppa Pig and the other characters in the show. Next, we're drawing his body and his legs, his hand. Petro Pony is holding a magic stick. We are drawing the tail and the cloak for Petro Pony. Let's draw Danny Dog. Dog Danny is Peppa's friend. He wore a purple shirt. He wanted to be a pirate when he grew up, possibly due to the sailing habits of his father and grandfather. Danny Dog likes helping Granddad Dog mend cars at his garage. The game Danny likes best is football. The sound Danny Dog makes is woof, woof! Next, we're drawing his body, his hand, and his legs, his tail. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid.
Pink.
Peppa Pig has a pink face and she's wearing a red dress. Peppa Pig is the titular character of a popular British animated television series aimed at preschoolers. She is a young pig who enjoys playing with her friends, going to playgroup, and jumping in muddy puddles, living with her little brother George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig. Peppa's adventures often involve everyday activities that are made fun and exciting.
Pink.
George is Peppa's little brother. He is 18 months old and loves to play with his big sister Peppa, even when she's being bossy. George's favorite thing is his toy dinosaur. He carries it everywhere with him. George can't speak yet, but can say one word very well. Dine-saw!
Yellow.
Green.
Pink.
Petro pony is a brown pony who typically wears a yellow shirt and a brown cowboy hat. Petro is a classmate and friend of Peppa Pig and the other characters in the show.
Blue.
Red.
Yellow.
Green.
Brown.
I'm painting Danny Dog's face gray. Dog Danny is Peppa's friend. He wore a purple shirt. He wanted to be a pirate when he grew up, possibly due to the sailing habits of his father and grandfather. Danny Dog likes helping Granddad Dog mend cars at his garage. The game Danny likes best is football. The sound Danny Dog makes is woof, woof! Now the picture is very beautiful, isn't it? I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.